Hey developers, how you doing guys? Welcome back to Developers. I'm Amin. Today we have the last part in React.js Basic. It's called React Modules. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and stay with me until the end of the video. Let's go. Alright, we are successfully done with React.js basics, but before move on to more interesting and advanced topic in React.js, I would like to talk about importing and exporting a statement. They are ES6 modules and it allows us to split up our app to small chunks, and of course it makes our application management easier. Now let's navigate to our project. As you can see, it's our application here. Everything is beautiful, but don't you think that our index.js file is getting bigger? So as I said, with ES6 modules and importing and exporting a statement, we can split it up to small chunks in our application. To start work with ES6 modules, I want to start with the sidebar and src folder. I want to create two JS files named box.js, and the second one is book.js. It's start with capital word because it's a component, and when I save them, we have two JS files here. The first one, box.js, is for our book list in our application. As you can see, we have an array here that we are working with that in our list, and I wanna just transfer this array by cutting it from here and paste it in my box.js. As you can see, we have this array in our box.js file, but there is no export, and it's called name export const book list in my box.js. It's called name export. It's the first type of module in React.js. So I navigate back to my index.js and start working on import my box.js. Start with import, and as I said, because it's name export, we should use curly braces here. Put book list from books. When I've saved that, everything is beautiful. There's no problem here, and our application is running. I write here book list, and because it's the exact name like this variable const book list. As I said, it's named export, and you should pay attention to it. And for example, if I change it to data here, and of course in my map method I should change it to data because our list changed. We have the error here, export data was not found in box.js, because we should change it to data too, and everything will be right and there's no problem. As I said, it's the rules of named export in React.js. The second file is book.js, and as I said, it's a component. I want to start with RAFCE, creating this file and this book component, but I want to copy our book component here, cut it from here and just paste it here, our component. And when I save it, I should just import our book component, import book from book. We have the same result. There's no problem here because we export our book component from book.js and import it in our index.js. But it's a point here. If you change this book to, for example, book component, and just you should copy this and replace this book here, and when you save that, we have the same result, and there is no change in our web browser because it is not named export like book.js. It is not a variable, it's export default, as you can see from here, and you can name it everything in your application. It was all about ES6 modules in React.js, and I've tried to talk about import and export some files to make your application lighter and do not make your index.js bigger. We are at the end of our video today. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and know that in our next video I will start talking about React.js hooks. Do not lose them, and thanks for watching us. Be nice guys. Farewell developers.